Hi students, welcome to my new YouTube channel, that is BioTutor. Okay. Last we discussed one adrenal gland. Can you remember that? Yes, I discussed pancreas. But today I will discuss another endocrine gland, that is adrenal gland. Okay. Have you seen? I have drawn one organ. Can you say that? Yes, it is kidney. And what is the function of this portion? It helps in excretion, but it is not it is not the topic today. Today's topic deals with this portion, this cap-like structure, that is known as adrenal gland. Okay, here again I have drawn this portion. It has two parts. Outer portion is known as cortex and inner portion is known as medulla. This is one kind of adrenal gland. So different kinds of hormones will be secreted from here. From this cortex portion, some kinds of hormones will be secreted. What are they? But before discussing this one, I want to discuss the LS of this portion, that is the cortex. If you see the LS of this portion, you can see different three layers which are made of different kinds of tissues. The upper portion is known as zona glomerulosa. Okay, this zona glomerulosa will secrete one kind of hormone that is known as mineralocorticoid or aldosterone. Mineralocorticoid or aldosterone. So, what is the function of this hormone? This hormone regulates the balance of different kinds of minerals which are required of our body. Sodium, potassium balance will be maintained. That means they will help, their target organ is kidney tubules. So they helps to reabsorb these substances, these minerals, to maintain the balance of these minerals. Clear? This is known as the zona glomerulosa will secrete this kind of hormone. So what is the name of this hormone? Either aldosterone or mineralocorticoid. Okay. Next portion, that is zona fasciculata. They will secrete one kind of hormone that is known as glucocorticoid, and its target organ is testis and ovary. That means the gonads where sperms or ovum will be produced. Clear? This portion, what is the function of this glucocorticoid? They are involved with maintaining the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat and other nutrients. That is the main function of this portion. Okay. Another portion. What is the another part? That is zona reticularis. One steroidal hormone will be secreted from this portion. What is the name of this hormone? That is known as androgen, and its target organ is, what is the name of this target organ? It is also gonads, that means testis and ovary. They will maintain the different types of reproductive characteristics of human beings. Not only that, other accessory characteristics which are not directly involved with the sexual characteristics, but indirectly they are involved. This hormone control this portion, this part. Clear? These characteristics. So already I told you, first one is aldosterone. Mineralocorticoid, its target organ is kidney or kidney tubules for maintaining the balance of different kinds of minerals, especially sodium. Clear? Another one I told you, that is glucocorticoid, which will maintain the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein or other nutrients or fat, whatever. Okay, and last one I told you, another kind of steroidal hormone. What is the name of this hormone? That is androgen, and their target organ is what? Gonads. That means different types of characteristics, sexual characteristics and some accessory characteristics which are not involved with directly sexual characteristics, but indirectly they are involved. These are maintained by this kind of hormone. What is the name of that? That is androgen. Clear? But another part I have drawn, that is medulla portion. What is the name? That is medulla. Okay. And here I have written one term, that is emergency hormone. Emergency hormone Why I have used this term here for this kind of medulla? Because some hormones are secreted from here. I'm giving one example, that is adrenaline. It is known as emergency hormone. Not only adrenaline, another hormone will be secreted from here, that is noradrenaline. We can use other terms also there, adrenaline or epinephrine, noradrenaline or norepinephrine. So which kind of hormone is considered as emergency hormone? The name of this hormone is adrenaline. I am sharing one story. Okay, at that time I was the student of class 8. Our bio teacher came to our class because we were quarreling with our best friend. At that time he came and tell us, please don't quarrel in this way. Why? Excessive adrenaline will be secreted. Don't be excited. But at that time, I could not realize. Okay, we did not understand the meaning. But while I was going through the chapter and we were familiar with this term, that is emergency hormone, and adrenaline is known as emergency hormone. At that time we have understood during the critical situation it will be secreting for minimize the physical stress. Okay, by different process, because at that time our blood pressure will be lowered down, blood sugar may fall. Okay, others activities which are related with this stress may happen, but all types of stress will be controlled by this emergency hormone. Okay, that's why it is known as emergency hormone. They can fight with this situation. Clear? Another one I told you, another hormone, that is noradrenaline. It is just antagonistic to this adrenaline. What is that? They, under normal situation, they will secrete. Why? At that time, while the blood sugar level is higher than the critical situation, and they will control that condition. That is known as noradrenaline. Okay, so this hormone will control this one. They are antagonistic to each other. Clear? They will be, and they will be also known as neurohormone. Neurotransmitter. What is that? Neurotransmitter means from the terminal end of neuron or axon, some kinds of neurotransmitter, some kinds of chemical secretions, some kinds of chemical substance will be secreted for transmitting the nerve impulse from one nerve to another. At that time, that neurotransmitter will be secreted, and they are also known as what? Neurotransmitter. They are also known as neurohormone. That means these hormones also will be secreted as neurotransmitter. Okay, so from the terminal end of the neuron for transmitting the impulse. Okay, so they are also known as neurohormone. Clear? And this that portion, what is the name I told you? Noradrenaline will be secreted from the parasympathetic nerve, and that another one, adrenaline, I told you, they will also secreted from the sympathetic nerve. Clear? Already I told you that. Now we should discuss the different types of disorder. What are the names of different types of disorders? Because hormone, due to lower hyposecretion of this hormone, one kind of disease may happen. You know the name? Yes, that is known as Addison's disease. Addison's disease. At that time, what will be happening? Different types of blood pressures will be lowered down. Carbohydrate metabolism cannot be happen properly. Okay, different types of activities, physical stress may happen, different types of activities may happen for that. Clear? Another question, Cushing syndrome, CU, Cushing syndrome. It may happen due to the hypersecretion of cortisol hormone or glucocorticoid. Here the same thing, infertility may happen, metabolism may be disturbed, like different types of activity. Another disease may happen, that is Cone syndrome. Cone syndrome. Here the level of minerals, sodium or other minerals will be lowered down due to hyposecretion, basically aldosterone. Clear? I told you, and already I told you this portion also. So students, if you like my discussion, if you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel, okay, and share it. Thank you. Okay, bye.